All right, ahead of the big political debut, we have some news coming in. Vinesh Phogat resigns from the railways, and that letter of resignation that India Today has accessed shows clearly her exit from the railways. She served as an employee of the railways for nearly 10 years. She's now going to be taking it into politics and will be joining the Congress party in about an hour's time. This is the big update we have on Vinesh Phogat's poll plunge as Vinesh and Bajrang meet with the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge. In the latest, they've already met with Mallikarjun Kharge. Vinesh is all set to formally join the party at 2:30 p.m. This is an image there that came in from a few days earlier of Rahul Gandhi meeting with Vinesh and Bajrang Punia, where he's seen very clearly, sternly holding the hand of Vinesh Phogat and swinging his arm around Bajrang Punia in a way to show that they are battle ready. Rahul Gautam joining us on the phone line. Rahul, Bajrang Punia, Vinesh Phogat have met with Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge. Give us more on the movements. What time are they formally likely to join the Congress?
Well, at 2 p.m., Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia are going to meet Congress President at his residence, and at 3 p.m., both wrestlers will be donning their new avatars. That is, they'll be taking a political plunge, joining Congress Party officially at 3 p.m. And this will also, put all the speculation and buzz that have been going around that whether they'll be taking, political plunge and whether they're actually going to contest elections or not. At 3 p.m., they'll be joining Congress in the presence of senior Congress leaders. And as I was saying earlier also, today it is expected that a list would be out from the Congress Party of candidates who are going to contest assembly polls. Now, all eyes will be on that list, that whether Vinesh and Bajrang Punia will be contesting elections as well. We are learning from our sources that Vinesh Phogat will certainly be contesting elections this time around, possibly from the seat of Julana. However, there is still no clarity whether Bajrang Punia will also be contesting or not. Apart from this, you can expect that this will come as a major shot in the arm as far as Congress Party is concerned, because Vinesh has been raising issues on which BJP has been, on back foot for, like farmers' education, and in fact, she's been alleging that how Brij Bhushan Charan Singh, whom she accused of, sexual assaulting young wrestlers, although he was not given a ticket, his son was given a ticket in Lok Sabha. Congress is now trying to create this narrative that how BJP has shielded him. So you can expect that with the formal induction of Bajrang Punia and Vinesh Phogat, BJP will certainly be facing heat in the coming days.
All right. So the BJP at this point is looking for a third term. So anti-incumbency plus the Jats not very happy with the BJP. It appears that the Congress has managed to play the cards right, at least so far, with bringing in Bajrang and Vinesh both on board. In a way, will really bolster the Congress's prospects there.
दूसरी तरफ विनेश खुद भी सियासी रण में उतरेंगी। जुलाना से कहा जा रहा है लगातार उनका जो परिवार है वो अब कैंपेनिंग मोड में नजर आ रहे हैं, जो कि उनका ससुराल है। दूसरी जगह जो है चरखी दादरी हो सकती है, जहां पे जो उनका बर्थ प्लेस है, जन्मस्थान है, लेकिन जुलाना से संभावना उनकी ज्यादा है। उधर ही बताया जा रहा है कि बजरंग पुनिया जो है वो कैंपेन कमेटी में एक अहम भूमिका निभा सकते हैं। प्रचार में कांग्रेस के इस पूरे चुनावी समर में वो इस तरह से कैंपेन कमेटी में, देखिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट कमेटी होती है कैंपेन कमेटी के। अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि कांग्रेस के कैंपेन कमेटी के जो अध्यक्ष होते हैं या जो चेयरपर्सन होते हैं वो कभी सीएम फेस भी हो जाते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे बजरंग पुनिया की भूमिका इसलिए कैंपेन कमेटी में इंपॉर्टेंट होगी क्योंकि वो एक न्यू कमर है, युवा है, एक यूथ आइकॉन है। तो उनकी भूमिका यहाँ पे कांग्रेस को लगती है कि कहीं ना कहीं कैंपेन कमेटी में हरियाणा चुनाव के वो कारगर साबित हो सकते हैं। बहरहाल अभी मुलाकात चल रही है भीतर, विनेश फोगट की इंतजार है। बजरंग पुनिया भी क्या जो है अब कुछ ही देर में मिलने के लिए यहाँ पे आएंगे खरगे साहब से।
All right, Maushami is right there at Kharge's residence in Delhi. Bajrang Punia and Vinesh Phogat all set to arrive in just a little while from now. India Today is keeping our lenses rolling. It's, of course, a big move for the Congress in Haryana at this point. They're looking to come to power 3 times after being defeated by the BJP. There is a certain level of anti-incumbency that they want to capitalize on with bringing these star faces, star grapplers, Vinesh Phogat and Bajrang Punia on board. Both of them who've been protesting against one of the BJP MP, Brij Bhushan, accusing him of sexual assault and harassment. And then they were part of the farmers' agitation as well, where we saw Vinesh Phogat seated with the farmers very recently as well. So in a way, they've already had their tryst with politics in a sense, now formally joining a political party and are likely to be fielded as well for the upcoming Haryana elections, October 5th. Maushami is joining us live for more on that. Maushami, you're right outside Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. Huge activity and buzz and chaos we see before the arrival of the star grapplers. They're going to be joining the Congress formally.
Right, so we are here right outside Congress President's residence, and Vinesh Phogat has just arrived about 5 minutes back. She's meeting Mallikarjun Kharge. 2 o'clock was the time. She arrived a bit early, and Bajrang Punia is also supposed to arrive here. Remember, not many days ago we saw Rahul Gandhi meeting the 2 wrestlers, and now when they are taking the political plunge in the Haryana Assembly elections, we are seeing them do a formal meeting. It's like a protocol meeting with the Congress president.
All right. So what's due to happen here, Maushami? If you could tell us more on confirmation whether they're going to be contesting a constituency, will they be fielded as candidates, or is it just a formal process of them joining, whether they're fielded or not, they're contesting or not, we won't know today?
Right, Nabila, there are speculations, right, that both can contest, one can contest, but in India Today, we've been spot on as far as our information is concerned, and I can tell you one thing, that the probability of Bajrang Punia not taking the poll plunge as far as contesting the elections is quite high. On the other hand, Vinesh Phogat could take the political plunge contest from Julana rather than from Charkhi Dadri, her native village. So she could contest from Julana. And on the other hand, Bajrang Punia could play an elemental role in the Congress campaign committee of Haryana. What sort of role, we'll have to wait and see. But perhaps all those details would have already been chalked out. Their role has already been chalked out. Congress has not been very, very open about it because they know that they want the formalities to be done before, the cat is out of the bag. And that's one reason that the Congress is treading very slowly on this one, even as the BJP is slamming the 2 wrestlers. The Congress would be doing a press set at about 3 p.m. The time has been pushed from 1:30 to 2:30 to 3. Naturally, stars of the political sports arena of not only Haryana but the country, 2 big stars are joining the Congress at a time that it could actually, trigger a wave in favor of the Congress as far as particularly the youth and the women are concerned. We'll have to wait and see how it really pans out for the Congress, but definitely it's like a shot in the arm at the right time is what the Congress would like to believe.
And what is the winnability factor of Vinesh Phogat? Do you want to elaborate there, Maushami? We know Vinesh has just come back from the Paris Olympics, disappointed surely because she was disqualified, but her stint has been remarkable with the performance that she conducted. The display of her skill on that Olympic stage was excellent, and she was endorsed for it. The whole country was praying for her. She comes back and immediately takes to politics, barely in a month's time. So how popular is she if she does stand?
MP's car, K.C. Venugopal, the organization general secretary there. He's got a handful of papers. Sir, is Vinesh going to contest? Is Bajrang going to contest, sir? So KC sir knows he's a veteran leader and he knows how to, maneuver through all those questions, perhaps just giving a smile, and somewhere the confidence of the Congress party in Haryana is also bolstered, by the fact that you have these two who are taking an official plunge, joining the Congress party. Now you can see that KC Venugopal also comes at a time when Bajrang Punia is also, his arrival is also awaited. So perhaps Mallikarjun Kharge will have a talk with them, discuss with them how the party actually fathoms their role and what is the territory they have to chart in the next few months.
All right, so Bajrang Punia and Vinesh Phogat have been extensively supporting and showing solidarity to the protesting farmers. How much of that element will really work in their favor here if they do take the political plunge?
Sorry, is that question to me, Nabila?
Yes. I said that they've shown solidarity. We saw Vinesh Phogat recently joining the farmers' protest. They're still seated in protest. So she joined the farmers' agitation and showed her support physically.
All right, so we want to show you this picture. Bajrang Punia, is it Bajrang Punia arriving in this car right there, sitting next to the driver's seat, in the co-driver's seat. I will ask Jagan to close in and show his visuals to you. Bajrang Punia now, after Vinesh arrives, after KC Venugopal arrives, those close-up visuals, the camera person Jagan is just getting you, are of star wrestler champion Bajrang Punia, who spearheaded the entire agitation of the wrestlers, was seen at Jantar Mantar camping there with the other women wrestlers, here getting off the car and now charting on a new territory. He would be taking up politics along with fellow teammate Vinesh Phogat. There, Bajrang Punia, somewhere is vanished behind the bushes, but surely it will be some time from now that we'll see both of them sitting on the podium of the Congress party in the backdrop of the Congress's banner. There, Pranav Jha and other office bearers of the Congress President's office right there, and Jagan is giving you those close-up visuals of Mr. Punia arriving. There is a little wait for him, and there in that blue t-shirt, he's wearing his sneakers right there, ready for action, battle ready. Bajrang Punia also walks in. So here you are. Lot of speculation. This gives a break to all those speculations. India Today broke it first today that Bajrang Punia, Nabila, will be joining the Congress along with star champion Vinesh Phogat. And here you are, the climax of it all happening right here at 10 Rajaji Marg. Interesting that Rahul Gandhi is not present. Of course, he's got a US tour coming up. But those pictures when they were doled out with Rahul Gandhi flanked right and left by these two wrestlers, it had a lot of meaning. And we had indicated that this is the beginning of the political career of these two wrestlers.